Hi guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to talk about Finelo AI. So here, you've probably seen ads about Finelo saying things like invest a small amount and let AI do the work. But here's the real question. Is Finelo actually legit or is it just another scam? So in this video, I'll break down what Finelo really is and how it works and whether it's worthy of your money. Okay, so first is you can actually download the application on your mobile device from App Store or Play Store. So I'm just gonna use the browser. Okay, so now Finelo is not a trading app, so you have to take note of that. And it does not invest money for you. Finelo is actually a trading education platform. That means it teaches you how to trade, how to do trading works. It gives you lessons and guides, and sometimes includes AI tools to help you learn. So if you're expecting automatic income, this is already where most people get disappointed. Okay, so as you can see right here, we have this free daily lesson. So we have 28-day trading challenge. So you just have to finish all of this in order for you to understand what trading means. And here we also have tools. Okay, so here we can analyze our trades. So we can use the AI market forecaster, smart pattern finder, and AI trading simulator. We also have our portfolio right here. So we can buy assets, okay, and the leaderboard and our profile. Now, for let's talk about the biggest issues. Misleading ads. So a lot of users say they sign up because ads made it look like you can earn money instantly. AI will trade for you. But when you join, it's just a learning platform. That mismatch is the main reason people feel scammed. And subscription charges. So another common complaint is free trial, then automatic charges. So some users did not expect to be billed. So if you sign up, you need to be very careful with the trial periods and the billing dates. You have to take note of that. Next one is the upsells. So inside the platform, you may see extra tools, premium features, add-ons, so which means you might end up paying more than expected. And the good side, to be fair, it's not all bad. So here's why some people actually like Philo. It's beginner-friendly lessons. Okay, so for example, right here, easy to understand, and then structured learning. So if you're completely new to trading, it can help you understand the basics. So for our final verdict, so is Philo scam or legit? It is legit, but misunderstood. So let me explain. It is not a money making app. Okay, you have to take note of that as well. It's not passive income, and it's not an AI trading bot. It is a paid learning platform. So the real problem is not the product. It is the expectation people have because of their ads. And honest advice, you can use Finelo if you want to learn trading. Avoid if you want a quick or easy money, because at the end of the day, there is no shortcut in trading. You really have to learn, and if you really want to explore what trading, how trading works, you have to use other resources. There are so many resources in the internet, but when we talked about beginner friendly, then I can really recommend Finelo AI to you. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.